doing the unboxing of my Impressions Vanity mirror that I ordered. I'm really, really excited. I've been waiting for this mirror for a while. I got it for my birthday, so I wanted to show you guys. And I might need the help from my husband because it's really, really, really heavy. This is how it looks. And it comes like super secure, which is really, really, really good. I'm just gonna lay the box down really carefully. So pretty. And I actually really like the customer service they had. I had a little issue and they were about to resolve it, and they answered pretty quick. They were really nice, and I just feel like I'm really, really excited. And I would recommend them if you guys wanted to get a mirror, because the mirrors are so cute. But like I said, they do come really, really secure. So like I have to be going up and down, trying to take all the tape off. Of course, it's gonna come with so many foam in here. And I am super excited because I feel the mirror already. I don't know if I'm going to be able to carry it. Super hard to take out of her. But from the top, what I like about it, like right from the back, is that this actually really good material. So that's what I like about it. It is not wood, which is good. It's like metal. Because you know, sometimes you buy stuff that's just like so expensive and you feel like it's not even worth it. Super hard to get out. Okay. So here's the mirror. It looks so cute. And then here comes the plug to connect it. And it also comes with light bulbs. The light bulbs that I got were the 25 watt, 135 looms, I don't even know. Standard. These are the standard ones. You can get like really cute ones, but they're more expensive. And I just think it's easier to get these. And if you want like really more expensive ones, you could just buy them at Home Depot. That's how they look. I still think they're cute. So I have to obviously put the bulb on there. But I'm like so excited, guys. Super, super, super excited. My beauty room is just coming together really cute right now. And I'm just gonna start putting all the light bulbs. It's probably gonna take forever. Put all these light bulbs on. And if you guys ever run out of light bulbs too, you can order them from here, like, or if they start, like they break or anything, they sell them on this website as well. And they sell a lot of cute stuff there too, like organizers, acrylic organizers, chairs, really cute things, not only vanities, but just love their vanities. They're so cute. Oh, and you guys are gonna ask what style I got. I'll include that on the link. I forgot the name of it, so I have to put it on the link. It's a little bigger than the standard one. They have a bigger one than this one, but this one was already almost $400. So it's just like, this one is good because I don't want it to take all the space in there on my chair. So let me look for the rest of the light bulbs in here. Oh, it has them on this side. So far it's looking super cute. It's looking really nice and really cute. Just have to make sure we put them all the way through. And another cool thing is it has the switch on this side, and on the other side it has, so you can charge your phone. It has like, you can charge your phone on there, you can do anything like that. But what really made me happy is that this is metal, it's not wood, because sometimes you get stuff that's wood and then it always gets scraped. So I just have 3 more bulbs to go. 2 more bulbs to go, and so far it's just looking so cute. Excuse any background noise. My daughter is around the hallways. Her room is right next to this room, and then my husband's also. He's watching the TV over there in the living room. Okay, almost there. Okay guys, so that's finalized. I'm just gonna stop filming right now and just do a close-up so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so this is the close-up. You guys can see how cute it is. I'm super in love with it. And look at the light bulbs. It looks super cute. I'm just going to set it up, and then I'm actually just going to show you guys and finalize this video. But I'm so in love with it. It's so beautiful, and I don't know, I'm just so excited and so happy that my husband was able to get it for me for my birthday, which is just really cool. Okay guys, so that's how it actually looks. I'm really liking it. It looks so cute and just so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how it's looking so far, my vanity. I'm just filming from this angle because there's like a mess on the floor. I'm going to keep you guys updated because I am going to hang some stuff in my room that my best friend got me for my birthday, and then I just want to add a little few more things. But so far this is how it looks, and I'm so in love with it. Look at the chair with the pillow, and then now with the mirror. Everything's just 100% complete. Hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys, and have a good day.